Okay. Language spoken at home by the U.S. population. 2014 percentage of U.S. population speak English only in the home is 82.1%, or probability of E is equal to 0.821. And then probability of O, other than English, is 1 minus probability of E. Choose 15 U.S. people. Okay. What is probably exactly 12 of them speak English? And they tell us the probability of English is 0.821. So P is equal to 0.821. And N, we're choosing 15 people. So N is 15. And we're looking at the probability that exactly 12 of them speak English. So the probability that X equals 12. Now from our form, X equals, probability of X equals, whatever falls under X equals is your A. So A is equal to 12. Now we're going to plug in our first form here. So it's equals binom.dist. A and P false. A, which is 12, N, which is 15, P, which is 0.821, and false. Change it to percent by moving your decimal point 2 places to the right and round to 1 decimal place, and we'll have 24.5%.